Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. We all have a favorite comfort food. Some might like meaty lasagna, a bowl of chili, a filling gumbo, while others prefer meatloaf or a nice juicy burger. Bottom line, we all different in our choices. Mine is the first dish I learned how to cook when I moved out on my own, and I still love it. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my shepherd's pie. As simple as it sounds, this is my ultimate comfort food recipe. It's very easy to make and so flavorful. I'm sure some of you might have a different version, but honestly, I'm sticking to mine. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add onions and saute for a couple minutes. To this, we'll add red peppers and cook for 2 minutes. Next, we'll add ground beef and cook until no longer pink, breaking it up into small pieces. We'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. When the meat is almost done, we'll add pressed garlic and saute for 1 minute before adding fresh oregano. You can always use dried. We'll stir for 1 minute as well. Now, we'll do what we should do with every recipe. We'll taste and adjust if necessary. Mine needs more salt and a little more pepper. Of course, if we add anything, we'll have to stir to combine. We'll then remove from the heat and drain the meat mixture in a colander for a few minutes, just enough to remove some excess fat. Next, we'll transfer the meat into a large 9x13 baking dish and spread it out evenly. Then we'll add 2 cans of cream-style corn and we'll do the same by leveling it out. Now, we'll top it off with mashed potatoes. Here, I'm using my mixed mashed recipe, which is a combination of russet with sweet potato. It's absolutely delicious and certainly elevates this dish. You can use regular mash, but you should definitely use this one instead. To get the recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. Again, we'll spread it out evenly, leaving a small gap between the potatoes and the baking dish. The reason is to help from boiling over, although there still might be a little. Next, we'll spread a thin layer of soft butter over the potatoes. This will give a nice golden color to the top. We'll then sprinkle on some smoked paprika and also fresh chopped parsley. We'll transfer to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 1 hour or until it bubbles and the top gets brown. We'll remove from the heat and let it cool off 15 minutes before serving. And my friends, this is our shepherd's pie. What a great dish! It's very easy to make and the results are absolutely delicious. I like to serve it with some ketchup on top, bread and butter pickles on the side, and a few slices of buttered bread. Yum! I'm telling you, this is a very tasty comfort food that everyone will enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!